What is up, woodworkers, leatherworkers, blacksmiths, foam smiths, costume makers, cosplayers, sewers, and makers of all sorts, shapes, sizes, makes, and models. It's me, Jonah, and this is normally the part of the video where I say from Titan Armory. But I'm not saying that anymore. Okay, so why not? A few reasons, but that's what this video is about. I want to talk about the channel and why I started the channel, what I envisioned for the channel, how that's different from when I started the channel, and therefore why I changed the name. So I guess to start, I should talk about why hang on, let me go turn this fan off. Okay, so why a new name? Well, a couple reasons. I'm gonna do my best to keep it short because I have a few other projects I'm working on, like next week's video, or 2 weeks, whatever. Anyway, I changed the name because I just kind of felt boxed in and restricted in a sense by the name, because Titan Armory implies that I'm going to be doing stuff an armory does, like armor and maybe weapons if you don't really know what an armory is. Anyway, one is I wanted to do other stuff because I started getting into leatherworking and woodworking, like the French cleats behind me and the workbench that isn't armor. So that's why I changed the name. But the name itself, like why I chose this name specifically, Making My Passion, is because well, two reasons. It's because A, making is my passion, duh. But B, it's because this channel is about a journey. It's about me trying things and exploring and doing a little bit of everything and figuring out what I like, what I don't like, and how that kind of comes to fruition. And so as I go along, I'm making my passion by figuring out what I like doing by trying stuff. So that's kind of a deeper and a really complicated way of explaining it. Anyway, so yeah, that's why the name changed. That's why I'm changing it to what I'm changing it to. And hopefully I'm going to be being a lot more regular about my content. I already have a video for 2 weeks from now. I'm going to start working on the next video after that in about 5 minutes, so we'll see how that goes. There's going to be a whole bunch of cool projects over the summer because we're renovating, and hopefully I'll be able to do some stuff with that. I don't want to say anything though, just in case I can't. So I know this is kind of a short video and not a project video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what was happening. I'll actually probably upload the next video next week, just since it's been a long time and this wasn't a real video in terms of like a project. So stay tuned for that. If you want to make sure you don't miss it, subscribe right here. If you want to see whatever the latest video is other than this one, depending on when you're seeing this, click right here. And if you want to see, I don't know, another random video, click right here. Have fun, guys. Stay safe, stay passionate, have fun, all that good stuff. And please don't forget, make daily, be awesome, make something cool, and have fun. I'll see you guys next week.